Hello, I extend my greetings to you, dear ones. The software you are observing is one of the most important and powerful technical analysis software. In this tutorial video, I intend to familiarize you with this software, namely Rahavard Novine 3, one of the very powerful technical analysis software developed by Magna Data Processing Company. This software is used by all analysts. In addition to providing the necessary data for analysis, this software also allows you to perform various other types of analyses. In addition to technical analysis, you can also use this software as a fundamental analyst and obtain a lot of market data, such as index-related data, IMO, and other data for analyzing financial statements, or other necessary market information from this software. Well, in this important video, I intend to familiarize you with the analytical module environment of the software. However, before we delve into the technical package of the software and, considering this educational course, use the technical analytical module of the software, I want to fully acquaint you with the environment of this software. As you can see, this is the main page of the software. When you open the software, it is actually divided into several sections where you can obtain good information about the market in each of these sections. For example, in this section, you can see the latest market messages, the latest symbols of stocks that have been halted. Here you can see these symbols, see the latest news related to the capital market in this section. In this middle section, you can see information related to the overall index and other indices down here, and you can view upcoming company meetings in this box at the bottom center. On the left side, in various boxes, you can fully see the highest price fluctuations, the highest trading values, and the latest announcements from this section. But at the top of the software, we have a menu bar that includes Home, Market Package, Technical Package, Fundamental Package, Asset Portfolio Package, and Data Registration. In the Home section, under the Home tab, we have a series of items that include software updates, backup version, settings, alerts, sending messages, receiving support, about, and user guide. In this section, when you install the software, you actually need two important items for software updates. One is the update of the software data, and the other is the update of the software itself. This section automatically takes the necessary actions to update the software. If the software is up to date, you don't need automatic updates, but if it is needed, it will automatically update itself. In the data update section, similarly, every day you open the software, it automatically updates itself, and there is no need for a manual update. You can easily always have up-to-date software that provides you with the information of the day. However, an important point regarding the update is that before you proceed with the update, you must go to the Settings tab. And in this section, under User Profile, enter your personal information here. Now enter the username and password so you can use the software in this section. Once this is done and you have completed the settings, you can easily update the software. I would like to inform you that when you are in the Home tab, your main use will be the Settings and Update tab. We don't really deal much with the other remaining items. In fact, the next option in our menu bar is the Market Package, where you can easily use various items. There are many items here such as daily trades, trading board, index symbols, index announcements, market events, stocks at a glance, stock watch, news, sent messages, symbol status, and market supervisor messages, broker details, and the future value and trading trends. For example, if you want information about index symbols, you can easily see these symbols. Here, for instance, you can get information about the overall stock index by clicking Execute to receive the index information. As I mentioned to you, this software is an informational reference, and especially master's and PhD students who need a series of information for their research or thesis can extract very useful information for their research from this software. You can also see the rest of the index symbols here. In addition to this, if you want to check another item such as the index itself, you should click on the total index. You can safely view the complete archive of the total stock exchange index and the rest of the index symbols here, and you can easily give the software a selected range. Provide a time range, 1 year, 2 years, several years, or several months, and then by pressing the execute button, all that information is at your disposal, and you just need to use a Ctrl+S. You can comfortably download the chart, index table, and trend table as an Excel output, and easily access this information. But let's move past the market package and the excellent features this software has in this section, and go to the technical category, which is actually the main focus of our work in this training course. In the technical analysis course, we are currently only working with this technical category tab, which includes 4 sections: chart, data transfer, indicators, and the coin and gold bubble. Note that among these 4 items, the chart item is the entire space of our technical analysis module. By clicking on this section, we can enter our technical analysis space. But before I enter this space, let me also explain the data transfer option to you, as it is a very important option. The data transfer option is one where you can select all the information related to all the market shares by clicking on this option and choosing all the shares or any specific share you have in mind. Here, you can select your share. You can choose the time frame and time intervals. Transfer the storage method and the location where you want your file to be saved here. And in this section, you can very easily extract the information related to the shares you want as a tick or text file, and then use it in other software. I will explain this part more in our advanced technical analysis course on how to extract information related to a share as a text file and use it in other software like AdminGT. Well, for now, let's move on from the technical package. I'll also give an explanation about the rest of the menu bar information, and then we'll return to the technical package. The fundamental package is for fundamental analysts, like the trend of capital increase. In fact, the fundamental calculations aimed at determining the intrinsic value of a share can be done here. Real and legal transactions, stock information, 3-year share of the board of directors of listed companies, shareholders, EPS calculations, company balance sheets, profit and loss, financial ratios, cash flow, production and sales, company portfolios, raw material sales, efficiency, risk and return, and company rankings. See all the useful information that might take a fundamental analyst a lot of time to access. With this software, you can easily find it across different stocks. We also have the asset portfolio package, which if you are a portfolio manager and want to manage an asset portfolio, you can easily define thresholds using this package. Make purchases and sales, capital increase. Receive dividends, over-the-counter markets or OTC, transfer of purchases and sales, others, maturity, status of the buy and sell portfolio, and so on. You can calculate DPS, profit and loss, portfolio returns, and even the beta and risk of stocks here, and have the systematic risk index of the stock or market. As for recording information, We don't deal with price registration. So you see how useful this section is and how much efficiency it can have. But we enter the technical package section, and in the technical package and the module related to the price chart, we actually reach a section that is very, very important and is essentially the workspace of a technical analyst, and they must fully master it and learn it well. Well, this space that you are seeing is your workspace, and we will do all our work in the technical analysis course with this section. That is, we enter this space from the technical package by selecting the chart option, and we will start our work in this space. In the next video, I will fully define this space for you, and we will examine each part together to see what its capabilities and functionalities are and how we should use it. Please pay close attention to the next video. We will be at your service with the next video.